Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by closing Roblox and any background launchers. This clears stuck sessions. Once done, restart your router and PC to refresh network assignments and DNS. Make sure your system clock and time zone are correct because mismatched time can block secure connections. Next, sign out and back into your Roblox account to force a new authentication token. These steps quickly eliminate common transient causes, so you can move to focused network and client fixes. Now, clear lingering network records by flushing DNS and restarting your network adapter. This removes bad cached routes. Make sure your firewall allows Roblox and related ports. Temporarily disable VPN or proxy, which often blocks game traffic. If the client still fails, run the built-in repair or uninstall and reinstall the Roblox player to restore corrupted files and missing registry entries. Also check for ISP or router-level parental controls, since those can block game servers even when your PC settings look fine. Finally, verify Roblox server status, and if local DNS seems unreliable, switch to a public DNS like 8. Then reboot. Update your network adapter drivers and try connecting from another device or a phone hotspot to isolate whether it's your PC or ISP. If problems persist, enable verbose client logs and note exact error codes before contacting support. These details speed diagnosis. Quick troubleshooting tip. If nothing works, try a different network. If it connects there, the issue is definitely with your local network or ISP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.